Hi, so we got a package in and I'm gonna be unboxing it. Let me show you guys what it is. I can't wait. Okay, so comes with a bunch of this nonsense. So here it is. It is a Logitech keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard, and I'm gonna be opening it to show you guys how it sounds and stuff. And I also ended up getting this. It's a mouse pad, also in purple. I have not seen um, this specific keyboard in just purple, so when I saw it, I had to get it. It's this one right here. Let's see how it works and stuff. Let me open this one first because this one already came kind of open. Like that was off. Let's see. Ooh, this looks super nice and it's very, very long. See? I have it backwards. There you go. Now let's open the keyboard. This is what I was super excited about. Let me go ahead and open it. It has emojis on it, which I don't really use, but I really liked that it was purple, like all purple, because I haven't seen one that was all purple. There's other ones, but they're not all purple. They have other colors. So let me see. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna put it like this so you guys can see. Comes like this with this little fancy little thing. You can just remove it. And then let's open it. It looks so beautiful. It is so pretty. Wow, the color is insane. And it's kind of heavy actually. And over here on the inside, you just have more emojis that you can, if you decide to change these to, there's other ones which I think I am going to switch them because these are like the thumbs up emoji and then a prayer emoji or something like that. And this right here is the keyboard. It looks beautiful. Can you see it? Okay, alrighty. Now let's see about the sound. It sounds awesome. I love it. I love it. It sounds beautiful. I'm gonna try it out for you guys. Right now I just wanted to unbox it, but I am gonna be reviewing it like 30 days from now or so, just to see how well it worked and how good I did with it and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.